Hello students, welcome back in another video. So in today's session, we are going to discuss another topic from the chapter Basics of Partnership Accounting, that is calculation of interest on capital. Okay, so let's start. First, interest on capital meaning. Interest on capital is that amount which is paid by the firm to the partner for the investment of capital made by them. See, first of all, it refers to certain amount which the firm has to pay to its partner for the investment of capital made by them. It means whenever certain partners start partnership firm, they have to invest some amount. So it is the duty of the firm to pay certain amount as interest on capital. It could be 5% or 6% or 12%, anything which is mentioned in partnership deed. Okay. Here some important points. The rate of interest on capital is to provided as mentioned in partnership deed. As I told you, the rate of interest is 6% or 8% or 12%, any of it is provided on capital. So firm has to pay interest on capital whenever it was mentioned in partnership deed. Okay. Next, if partnership deed is silent, then no interest on capital is to be given. Next, interest on capital is always calculated on opening balance and additional capital if any additional capital invested by the partner. Next, interest on capital is paid at the end of the year out of profit earned by the firm. Now, there are 2 points. First is that interest on capital is paid at the end of the year, not in the middle of the year, and it is paid out of profit earned by the firm. Okay. Next, calculation of interest on capital. So, there could be 2 cases of calculation of interest on capital. So, first we will discuss both the cases. Then we will solve one problem each, both of the cases. Okay. So, first case, when opening capital given with additional capital and drawing. Here drawing means amount withdrawn out of capital. Formula: interest on capital plus interest on additional capital minus interest on withdrawn capital. Next, second case, when opening capital is not given. So first we have to calculate opening capital. Formula of opening capital is closing capital plus drawings minus profit minus additional capital if invested by any partner. If there is loss in place of profit, so we have to add loss with closing capital. Next, step 2, calculate interest on capital with the help of the formula opening capital into rate of interest into 100. In simple words, if capital is introduced in the middle of the year anytime, so formula of calculating interest on capital is capital into rate upon 100 into time upon 12. Here time is important. For example, if Ram introduced capital on 1st July 2018 amounted to rupees 1 lakh, rate of interest is 10% per annum, then interest is calculated as, we assume that year ends on 31st March every year. Formula: capital into rate upon 100 into time upon 12. Here time means we have to calculate interest from 1st July to 31st March. So formula applied: capital 1 lakh, rate of interest 10 upon 100, time 9 upon 12 from 1st July to 31st March. Answer rupees 7500. Here example from case 1. A and B, 2 partners. Their capital account as on 1st April 2018 showed a balance of rupees 1 lakh and 2 lakh. 1st April means opening date of the financial year. So the capital of rupees 1 lakh and 2 lakh is opening capital. On 1st July 2018, both the partner introduced additional capital, and on 1st October, A withdrawn, on 1st January, B withdrawn. Rate of interest 10% per annum. Let's start solution. So first, we have to calculate interest on opening capital. Opening capital means capital stood on 1st April 2018. So interest on opening capital, A is equals to 1 lakh into rate of interest 10 upon 100, that is 10,000. For B, 2 lakh into 10 upon 100, that is 20,000. After that, we have to calculate interest on additional capital. Additional capital introduced on 1st July. So time from 1st July to 31st March 2019, 9 months. For A, 40,000 into 10 upon 100 into 9 upon 12, that is 3,000. For B, 50,000 into 10 upon 100 into 9 upon 12, that is 3,750. After that, A withdraws 20,000 from capital. So rate of interest 10% again, and time 6 by 12 from 1st October 2018 to 31st March 2019. After that, B withdraw on 1st January 2019. So for B, time 3 months from 1st January to 31st March 2019. So what we have to do? Now we have to calculate total interest on capital at the end of the year. So for A, 10,000, add interest on additional capital 3,000 minus interest on drawings, means capital withdrawn by the partners. So total interest 12,000 for A, and for B 20,000 plus 3,750 minus 375, 23,375. So start with next example. Case 2. On March 31st, 2018, after the close of books of accounts, the capital accounts of A and B stood at rupees 60,000 and rupees 80,000 respectively. The profit for the year 36,000, which was distributed equally, means 1:1. Amount of drawing 2,000 in B 2,000 and 4,000. As per partnership deed, interest on capital was entitled at the rate of 10% per annum. Calculate interest on capital. So first, what we have to do? We have to calculate opening capital. So formula of opening capital is equals to closing capital plus drawing minus profit. For A, opening capital 60,000, add drawings 2,000, less share of profit 18,000. Share of profit out of 36,000, which was distributed equally between the partners. So opening capital of A 44,000, and for B 80,000 plus 4,000 minus 18,000, that is 66,000. So interest on capital, now we have opening capital. So interest on capital for A 44,000 into 10 upon 100, rate of interest 10%. Interest on capital 4,400, and for B 66,000 into 10 upon 100, interest on capital 6,600. Hope you understood the topic. Have a nice